Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sean with Knowles Power Equipment. Guys, today you were going to get a quick look inside my world. I was working on a deal that we just announced the other day with the CS50 promo, where if you go onto our Build My Tractor tool on our website, go through the process, build out that tractor with a tractor, loader, belly mower, and then in the comments, make sure you put CS50. We're going to give you a free 50-hour service kit as well as a free set of replacement blades for the mower. And it hit me that here we are pushing out that you guys need to go check out our Build My Tractor tool, and we've never actually shown you guys what this thing is and how to use it. So real quick, I'm messing around with my iPad real quick just to show you that you can do it either on your desktop or on your mobile device. To jump on our Build My Tractor tool on our website at knowlespower.com, and you can build out your tractor. You can see how much it's going to cost out the door. You can add attachments, add some implements, that sort of thing. Get your monthly payments. You can apply for financing, get pre-approved, see what your percentage rate's going to be if you want to do the financing, calculate with money down, without money down, and get your out the door price so that whenever you swing by one of our locations, either here in Shippensburg or over in Louisville, you are ready to sign some paperwork and get to work. All right, guys, so let's check out the Build My Tractor tool really quick together, and we'll show you guys what this thing's all about. Alrighty, so as I mentioned, the Build My Tractor tool has been optimized for both mobile and desktop functions. So grab your iPad, your phone, or your laptop and go to knowlespower.com. Click on the link there in the middle where it says Build My Tractor, and it will take you to these pages. Here at the top, you see some options. It says Explore Packages or Build My Tractor. You can either explore the packages that we have put together for you, some popular packages that we've put together, popular models along with the attachments that the folks have enjoyed with them, or you can start from scratch. If you click on the Build My Tractor, it will bring you to all of the models that we have available so far on the Build My Tractor tool. We are updating this as we go along. We do have most of them on here. There are still some more to be added, but keep an eye out for those. And we have all the way from the CS series, the whole way up to the RX, and even the PX series available here on the Build My Tractor tool, as well as the Mecrons and the K9s. So you can go through, you can select whichever model it is that you're interested in, and whenever you find one that you like, click on that Build and Price button below. It's going to take you to a page that looks just like this for all of those tractors. A couple key things of information on this page. If you look across the top, it's going to tell you which model you've selected, as well as the price so far based on the attachments and options that you've added, as well as your monthly payment so far. If you click on that calculator, it's going to bring you to this page where you can choose your financing options based on what we have available at the time, or you can even go ahead and type in whatever kind of down payment you're thinking you'd like to use. And then as you watch that number at the top, that number is going to change based on the information that you put into this tool so far. Let's get back to that in a second. We'll show you some more information about what you can do on this page. We'll come back to that in a minute. Let's take a look at the rest of the page. Here on the right-hand side of the page, you're going to see all of the options and attachments that are available for that particular model. You'll see here that SL2410 loader was automatically selected. On all of the tractors, the loader is going to automatically be selected for you. We like to price our tractors with the loader included. So as you select other options down on this list, you'll see that there is a button there if you're curious as to what that attachment is, what it does, what it can do, what it looks like. If you click on that button, it's going to pull up a page that's going to tell you all the specifications about that attachment. It's going to give you pictures so that you can see what it is. You can kind of see how it attaches to your tractor, and you have the option then to add it to your configuration there at the bottom as well. We'll keep scrolling down here and you'll see that our product total, that number is going to keep changing based on what attachments we've chosen. To the left hand side, we've got a box here that has our description as well as our specifications. Guys, all of the specifications that you could ever want to know about these tractors is going to be available within this box straight from Coyote's website itself. Whether it's horsepower, ground clearance, the fuel tank size, the PTO, RPMs, anything that you need to know about the tractor is going to be in there. Down at the bottom, we've even thrown in some related product sections that'll show you similar models to what you are looking at right now. Okay, so we've built our tractor out. We've got the attachments added that we think that we're interested in. Let's go ahead and click that calculate your payment estimate. From here, you guys will have the option right away to just go ahead and apply for your financing. It's going to pull up this page here, which is going to pull in all of the information that you've selected. You have the opportunity to choose whether you'd like to send this information to either us here in Shippensburg at Knowles or to our sister store over in Louisville at Perry Power. Or you can just select email me my quote. From there, again, you're going to fill out your information, shoot us your email and your phone number, And then any comments that you have, any additional thoughts, questions that you may have. Now, this is important because right now our CS50 promo that we're running, that is where you would put the CS50 comment so that we know when you bring that in that we are to give you your free 50-hour service kit and a free set of replacement blades. Again, you get to choose which location you'd like it to go to. When you hit submit, you're going to get a copy of that quote as well as one of our sales team. We're not going to hassle you, haggle you, make it complicated and a whole big process to get your price. We want to make sure that you get that right here, make it convenient for you. That way you can feel prepared to buy your Coyote. So guys, as you can see, our Build My Tractor tool is an invaluable tool for those who are looking for their next tractor. You can go on, you can choose whichever model that you want. You can build it out based on the specifications that you need for you and your property. You can see the price, you can see the monthly payment, you can calculate it based on if you put money down, if you don't put money down, different financing options. And then we're going to send you your quote, we're going to give you your price, we're not going to keep anything from you. We're going to allow you to get all of that right from this page so that whenever you go to buy your tractor, you can be prepared. Like we said, we do have a promo running right now, the CS50 promo, where if you go through this process with one of the CS series tractors, buy the tractor, loader, and the mower, and then put in the comments CS50, we're going to offer you a free 50-hour service kit as well as a free set of replacement blades for the mower. So guys, that's the Build My Tractor tool that we have put together for you. There's nobody else out there that has this. We're super glad to be able to offer this to you guys. We hope that you can use it. We hope that you can get information from it. And we just hope that it makes it an easier process for you when it comes time to get you put onto your new Coyote.